again, and welcome back to the channel. Richard back again with another unboxing video, and today it's the brand new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray limited edition set of Demolition Man, and this is from Arrow Video, and this is their UK release. So this is one of the higher priced releases that they do, and it's come in the thicker box. This one has got a slip cover, not a J-slip. So as you can see, the iconic artwork on the front. And let's have a look at the specs on the back. Okay, of course it's from Joel Silver, producer. He's produced quite a lot of exciting movies over the years. This movie, of course, set in 2032, and of course stars Sylvester Stallone and Wesley Snipes. Yeah, it's such a good film, this. Love this era of action thrillers. So there we can see the contents of this release. It's a brand new 4K restoration from the original camera negative, which is 35mm film, and it's been done by Arrow, and it's been approved by the director. It includes the domestic Taco Bell and the international Pizza Hut version of the film, and it's been done by Seamless Branching. So it's got Dolby Vision, HDR10, and it's got the original lossless 5.1 track, which is DTS HD Master Audio, but it's also been given a Dolby Atmos remix. So I'm looking forward to checking that out. So there's a lot of new features there. Please pause if you wish. So down at the bottom, we can see it runs for 115 minutes long. It's in the 2.39:1 aspect ratio. And as we said, it's 5.1 and Atmos. Okay, let's slide the slipcover off. And this is the outer slip box, which has got a keep case inside. So this is the artwork they've gone for behind. Okay, let's slide the inside out. Usual high quality cardboard from Arrow, finished in white. So then we've got a book, got some stickers and a poster. So onto the keep case, which is a 14mm, and you got the same information on the back. So just the 4K release. It should be 100 gig, knowing Arrow. Yep, it is. And then we've got, this is the flyer that we've got for this release. Of course, we had a $dollars tease in the last one. Okay, so these are a smooth feel art card. We have Demolition Man on the back. They're all the same. We'll check if there's reverse artwork. Yes, there is. Okay, so it's the same art as the outer box. Let's put that back, because I do like the original artwork, not gonna lie. So yeah, we got a nice big poster of that. Again, if I had more room, I'd definitely have it framed. Nice textured paper for this release as well, as you can see from that angle. And then we've got some stickers, the 3 clamshells. just don't ask what they're for. Okay, so then we've got this book, quite a few pages in that. You can see the texture there. There's your cast and crew. Again, it's on high quality textured paper inside, which is smooth to touch and is like a matte shine to it, so it's not too glossy. There's a look at your cast and crew. And we've got some essays in here which I will definitely be reading. Nice to see how the movie was done. Okay, nice shot of Wesley at the end. So let's zoom in on the restoration. So exclusively restored by Arrow, as we said, both versions. The 35 camera negative was scanned at Warner Brothers, and the film was restored and colour graded at Silver Salt. 5.1 was sourced by from Warner Brothers, and the Atmos mix was done by Arrow at Deluxe Audio in London. This has been approved by the director. There's a look at the Silver Salt restoration team and the Deluxe Audio London team. And again, thanks to the director. So the Blu-ray authoring and subtitling on this is by the Engine House Media Services. And that's the end of the book. So that is basically what you get in this limited edition. So I'm looking forward to checking out this transfer and seeing how it looks. But that's a look at the package for now. Another nice set from Arrow. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. Helps the channel out a lot. And consider subscribing or sharing. But always good to read your comments. So thanks for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.